Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to correct white balance using Camera Raw as filter. For the demonstration purpose, the image that I'm going to use is a photograph that I clicked at UNESCO World Heritage Site of Hampi from South Indian state of Karnataka. Let's see a few options in which we can correct the white balance of any photograph using Camera Raw as filter. Let's get started. To open a JPEG in Camera Raw as filter, you have two options. One is to navigate to the filter menu and then clicking Camera Raw filter, or directly using a shortcut provided in front of it, which is Shift Control plus A. Let's open this image in Camera Raw. Once the image opens in Camera Raw, you will see that the entire interface changes to Camera Raw's interface. And on the right hand side, you will notice that there is one entire section dedicated to white balance corrections. The first thing that you will notice is a pull down menu which has three options given in it. First option, as shot, it refers to the white balance settings, the way camera applied in any photograph, the way the photograph was shot. The second one is auto. Let's start from here. So when you click auto, you will notice that Camera Raw applies white balance settings to this image automatically, taking it closer to the actual corrected white balance. So let's click auto. Now you will see that Camera Raw has already applied certain settings here in this image, but I think the photograph has lost its warmth little too much. So what do? I have the options of correcting the white balance further ahead by using the temperature and tint scales given below the pull down menu. So I can go ahead and correct the white balance by fine tuning the temperature scale and the tint scale if required. Once I've done that, you will notice that the pull down has changed from auto to custom because I customized the white balance correction using the scales here. So this is one way you can correct white balance in Camera Raw. Let's look at the second way. On the left top side, you will notice that there are certain tools given to you. One of the most important tool is white balance tool. You can invoke that tool by pressing I on your keyboard and then navigating into your image and clicking one reference point from where you feel the white balance should be corrected. After making the click, you will notice that white balance of the image has changed considering the reference point that you asked Camera Raw to pick. Now again, in this case, if you think that this is the right white balance and Camera Raw has done good job, you can simply go ahead and click OK. If not, you can again move down to the temperature and tint slider and customize the temperature and tint the way you want. After having your fine-tuned settings dialed in, you then can go to OK. After that, the image opens in Photoshop having the settings applied, and then if you wish to, you can continue editing it further, or you can save the image as it is. I hope you've understood how to correct white balance easily using Camera Raw filter. Stay tuned, I'll bring in more such easy and simpler video tutorials for you. See you soon. Bye bye.